1 year later, Simz Ngema lets go of her wedding ring. After 1 year, Dumi Masilela's widow and actress Simz Ngema has given fans a glimpse into the pain of letting go of her wedding ring. August 3rd marks 1 year since Dumi was shot and killed in a botched hijacking, but those close to him will feel the pain of his loss for a lifetime. In the lead up to the anniversary of his death, Simz took to social media to share that it was time to take off her wedding ring. "We have a love-hate relationship. Sometimes I look at you and I smile. Sometimes I look at you and my heart bleeds. It's almost time to let you go, and the thought of living without you makes me anxious, but holding on to you is more painful. I promise to keep you safe and to one day give you to the woman who will be Kegasi's heart keeper. I will love you, forever and always." Returning to social media on the anniversary of Dumi's death, Simz said a part of her died with Dumi.